So today we will see the topic that is temperature transducer, right? So temperature transducer होता क्या है? टेम्परेचर ट्रांसड्यूसर एक ऐसा ट्रांसड्यूसर है जो टेम्परेचर मेजरमेंट के लिए यूज होता है, राइट? सो देर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ टेम्परेचर ट्रांसड्यूसर. फर्स्ट इज RTD, thermistor and thermocouple. Okay, we will see one by one, but in this particular video we are going to see only the RTD one transducer. Okay, yes. Now whenever a body is heated, various effects are observed. कोई भी बॉडी अगर हीट हो गई तो क्या क्या होता है, दैट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. चेंज इन फिजिकल डायमेंशन, तो बॉडी का फिजिकल डायमेंशन चेंज हो सकता है. चेंज इन इलेक्ट्रिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, मेनली द चेंज इन रेजिस्टेंस, एंड दैट चेंज इन रेजिस्टेंस का प्रॉपर्टी बिकॉज ऑफ टेम्परेचर हैज बीन यूज्ड इन द RTD एंड थर्मिस्टर. ओके, थर्मोकपल में डिफरेंट वाला प्रिंसिपल कॉन्सेप्ट यूज किया है. Yes, so generation and because of this heating of the body, generation of EMF at the junction of two dissimilar metals also can be happen, and this concept has been used in the thermocouple. Okay, so in this video we are going to see only the RTD. In another video we will see thermistor, and after that we will see the thermocouple, right? Now there are two types of temperature coefficient devices. So the first one is the positive temperature coefficient device. So positive temperature coefficient device is what? The resistance of a conductor increases with increasing in the temperature. मतलब होता क्या है, जैसे भी टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होता है तो रेजिस्टेंस इंक्रीज होता है, राइट? So it is called as a positive temperature coefficient. You can see this diagram, see this one. As the temperature is increasing, the resistance is decreasing. Now what about negative temperature coefficient? In that particular devices, as the temperature is increases, see, as the temperature is increases, the resistance is decreases, the resistance is decreases. Okay, and this RTD will follow. You can see here the RTD, resistance temperature detector, will follow this one, the positive temperature coefficient. You can see this one. Okay, and this is all about positive and negative temperature coefficient devices. Now in detail we will see the RTD. So RTD is what? Resistance temperature detector. It is an electrical transducer which is used to measure the change in temperature, right? And it is also known as a resistance thermometer. Hmm? It measures the change in temperature by measuring the change in the resistance. Okay. So this diagram need not to be drawn in the examination. This is for understanding purpose. Okay. This one also. So RTD is what? RTD में होता क्या है? RTD is a temperature sensor, you can see, or the transducer whose resistance changes with the temperature. Very important. It is based on the principle that the resistance of the metal increases linearly with the temperature. Now this अगर बाजार में गए आप RTD खरीदने तो इस काइंड का आपको डिवाइस कुछ मिलेगा. This diagram also for understanding purpose. So there are four things that in construction of RTD, that is connection head. Yes, this is connection head. This is mounting fitting. This protection shield, and this is the RTD element. Okay, this symbol is very much important that you need to draw in the examination. So this is what the resistance temperature. So that resistance का symbol है box से और ये ऐसा arrow दिया है. Sensitize your the temperature. ओके, सो कौन कौन से मटेरियल यूज होते हैं आरटीडी में? प्लैटिनम मोस्टली यूज, निकेल एंड कॉपर. So depending on which kind of material you are using, whether you are using platinum, nickel or copper, the little bit of characteristics is changing, that I'll tell you in the graph section. Yes. Now application we will see after the working of this one. So what is the working principle? Yes, the sensing element of RTD is made up of pure metal, usually a platinum, which has a positive temperature coefficient resistance. Okay, when the resistance temperature increases, the lattice vibration in the metal increases, and this increase the opposition to the flow of electron, causing resistance of the wires is also increases. Okay, the change in the resistance is measured and correlated to the temperature using the standard calibration curve or the equation. So which equation we are using in the RTD? This one equation. Okay. So RT is what? R0 1 plus alpha T plus beta T square. So what is RT? RT is what? Resistance temperature. R0 is what? Resistance at 0 degrees Celsius. Alpha is temperature coefficient. This value is this one, 0.00385. And beta and Y are the constant as per the IEC standard. Okay. So in examination, this formula is also important. And for temperature less than 0, this is the formula. and temperature greater than 0, this is the formula you need to. Yes. Now, how it works? The RTD is connected in the circuit, and a small current, constant current is passed through the platinum element. जो platinum element हम RTD के लिए use किया उससे क्या होता है, current pass होता है. The voltage developed across RTD is measured using Ohm's law, that is R is equals to V by I. The resistance of the RTD is calculated, and the resistance value is then converted into temperature using a standard equation, that whatever I have told you, this one, or the calibration table. Now you can see this one, as this is positive temperature coefficient. So what I have told, as the temperature is increasing, the resistance is increasing, and vice versa. As the resistance increases, it, it means the temperature is increases. Okay. Now, if you are using, already I have told you how many types of material you can use, that is copper, platinum, and nickel. Okay. So if you are using platinum, you will get that kind of characteristics, temperature versus resistance. If you are using nickel, then this is what the sharp increasing in the temperature as the resistance is increases. In case of copper, it is moderate one. Okay. So depending on your application, you can use any kind of material for making of the RTD. Okay. What are the application of this RTD? Yes, RTD can be used in the industrial temperature measurement, laboratory and research, HVAC system, food processing, pharmaceutical industry, automotive industry, and power cut. So this is all about RTD. I'm repeatedly telling you, if the question is of write a short note on the RTD in the examination, then this you need to write what is the basic principle of RTD. Then this one, construction of RTD, this symbol, which material are using. Only write 2 or 3 applications at the end, and working, and this graph is also important. Okay. So this is all about RTD. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much.